Did you know that you can generate game assets using AI? Yes, that's right, you can use AI to generate low poly game assets for your game, so you don't have to model them yourself in Blender, and it's super easy to do just with this AI here, but make sure to watch till to the end because you still need to clean them up a little bit in Blender by changing a few sliders, but it's just simple stuff, so don't worry, it's really just 1% of the effort it would take to actually model one of these without the AI. So first you need to enter your prompt. I'm just going to go with pine tree, and so click enter and they'll do the same thing as clicking run, it'll just start loading. So because I'm lucky and the queue is pretty short, but I'm the only user using this currently, so it only takes me 14 seconds. So this one, so yeah, so all you need to do is keep generating until you have a nice model. And yeah, so that one has holes in it, that one won't be applicable for cleanup, so I'll just wait for that to process. Okay guys, I found a good pine tree. So once you have found a good pine tree, just download it here, and now go into Blender and delete the default cube by pressing X and then enter, very simple. Now click file, import, select .glb and select your file. I'm just going to load in my tree. And so now that you've loaded in your tray, the first thing you want to do is click S, and this will expand it once you move your mouse. And the next thing we want to do is we want to open up this world thing and click on our object. We want to click the spanner wrench thing, and we want to click remesh. And so we want to definitely turn the voxel size down to preserve some detail. And just like that. And then you can apply it just like that. And now we want to decimate it. And so let me see. I'll just use the planar mode. We can just decimate this, apply that, and keep remeshing and decimating it until you've got a model that you're happy with. Okay. And you can add another decimate. This will make it look low polyo. Of course, if you know how to use Blender, you can just directly edit it and just save time from the generation. Also, you can do this with any object. So, now that I've got a tree that I'm happy with, the first time I tried this, I actually got a much better tree. I'll put that one on screen. So you can see how that one turned out. Of course, because we're using AI, it's kind of a bit random, but you know, if you just try a certain amount of times, you'll get a result that you like. So you can just click down here and click apply, and this does look a bit more high poly, so I'm going to decimate it one more time probably. Okay, I'll settle with that. And so if you want to texture in Roblox Studio, what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to go into edit mode here. You're going to have to set it to wireframe mode, and you're going to have to set it to the y-axis. You're going to have to zoom in here, so whatever part you want to color separately, you want to just put a selection box around it, right click it, and just go separate, and then click by selection, and now if we just go back into Blender's object mode and we set it to solid, you'll be able to see that this is separate. I didn't quite catch that part there, so I might go back and do that. So just go to wireframe mode. I don't know how that face can get caught there, but just see your view to one of the side views and bulk select it and click up and right click it and separate it, and by selection go into object mode, set it to solid again, and then just click G here, and yeah, you can see that they're separate. So undo that, you'll be able to texture it as a separate part in Roblox. So now that we've got our tree, we can import it into Roblox Studio. So go File, Export, .fbx, and we'll go and so now you can basically just close Blender and open up Roblox. So I'll do that. So now that you're in Roblox Studio, you can just go to Avatar and or maybe plugins, Avatar Importer, yes that's right, and just select Custom, and I'll select my file. If you don't import your file as an avatar, you won't get all of the parts in the right position. So now that we've got our tree model here imported into Roblox, we can go Control U to ungroup it, delete the initial poses folder, and you'll have your two meshes, and delete the Motor 60s in them because it's not the base plate, because it set you up, and delete the animation controller. It set you up character thing. But yeah, so I'll just name this to trunk, and I'll name this to leaves, and now you can basically just select stuff, just recolor it. I'm going to select the leaves, and I'm going to go ahead, select the trunk. Okay, it's actually a pretty nice gamer set, and maybe let me see, it says material to smooth plastic, rotate that by 90 degrees, grab that and just scale it. And you've got a nice tree gamer set. It kind of does got a bit of horrible polygons there, but you know, it's a tree gamer set with basically zero work. Yeah, which is actually really good, and so this AI tool will really speed up your workflow. So I hope you have some good luck with it and get some really cool gamer sets, maybe other than just trees. So thanks for watching. I really appreciate that you spent your time to watch and follow along with this tutorial, and please subscribe if you liked the result, and make sure to check out the rest of the videos on my channel.